Creating a laminated project using Autodesk Inventor 2018. So in this tutorial we are going to take this basic shape right now and add some features to it to make it look more appealing. So to start with, what I'm going to do is go into the sketch and I'm going to create a 2D sketch on this surface. Okay, so the surface here. And I don't like this view or the way it's set, so I'm just going to rotate it by 90 degrees and kind of work from here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do an ellipse, but to do an ellipse I also want to remove all the excess material. So I'm actually going to start with a 2-point center rectangle. Now you can see I can't snap into here, it's not working. So what I can do is kind of hold it right here and hit the tab key, and it goes to the X, and I know that this piece is 3 wide, so I'm going to go halfway at 1.5, and I know it's 12 long, so I'm going to put this to 6. What that'll do is start dead center. And I'm just going to make this go bigger than the actual material. So there's my first part. Second thing now is I'm just going to come down to ellipse, and I'm going to grab the center now because you can see it go green, and I'm going to create my ellipse and click here, and I'm just going to go up, and then what I'm going to do is dimension right away. So now I can grab the center of this to up here, and no, it doesn't want to do that, so apparently I can hit escape and hit dimension again, and I'm just going to grab this, and what it does is gives me some different dimensions here. So I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to say that I want that to be pretty much all the way, so I'm going to say 12. Let's see what happens if I go to 12. Whoops, didn't mean 12, I meant 6, halfway. Okay, and then if I dimension again and I go this way, I'm going to go this, I'm going to put this out here, and I'm going to go 4.5. Right, so there we go. So that's right out to the edges. Right, and I can click on Finish Sketch, and then what I'm going to do is go back to 3D Model and extrude like I've done in the past, and I'm going to extrude this area, and you can see it just change colors slightly, and it's going the down direction, and this is cut, and click on OK, and now I have my shape. Okay, so there's the first part. Okay, now what I might want to do is I might want to put a circle in there, so I'm going to go back to 2D Sketch, and I click on here, and I'm going to go circle. And again, you see how it won't click dead center, but I know it's 1.5, so I'm going to click on Tab. I go 1.5. Okay, and I don't know, maybe we're going to do, I don't know, let's say it's going to be, I don't know, 1. Let's go 1 for now. Okay, so there's 1, and we're going to make a circle here, and we'll dimension it, and I want that one to be, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of an inch, so we'll go 3/4. Okay, so there's my circle. Okay. And I can always change this later, right? And I go Finish, and then once again Extrude, and I extrude the hole through, click OK, and there's my hole, right? Now, if I want to make this last little bit fancier, I can go back to 3D Model, and go Fillet, and I'm going to move this off to the side here, and I can take the outside edges, and here's my radius, and I'm going to put my radius to 0.25, and I'm just going to hit Enter. And then what I can do is pick this edge, that edge, that edge, and this edge. And you can see if I hit Apply, you got some edges on there. And then I'm going to also pick that middle one, click Apply, okay, and hit Cancel. So now I have this cutting board, and it's got some edges to it and stuff like that. And you can see how it's kind of shiny on there. Okay, so that's my finished product on this one, and that's what my project's going to look like. I still have the planes on, so I'm just going to come back to here. Nope. That is on the actual dark wood, so I'm going to come into here, come to Origin, only because they're driving me nuts, and right mouse click on it and go Visibility, right mouse click on this one, go Visibility, and there everything's off. Okay, and we're going to save this now, save it, and we're going to call this to our we'll just call it Laminated Project. Alright, whoops, Project, let's go Project. Okay, and save it, and we're done.